how to log in Netflix on phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Netflix on your device. If you do not have Netflix application, you can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store, or you can also use the web version of the application. Now, tap on the Sign In option on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the login page of Netflix. So, go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your email address or phone number and your password, and tap on the Sign In button to sign yourself in. Or you can also tap on the Use Sign In Code button and sign in using a code. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the Forgot Password option and follow the on-screen prompts to recover your password and log in further. So this is how you can log in to Netflix on phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.